I've always hated dishes. The redundancy of it all. Cooking. Washing. Cooking. Washing. Oh, it never stops. It's annoying. And it's physically taxing now. And one day, I got up and I'd reached my limit. And I realized I don't have to do this anymore. Woo! Okay, guys, I did it. I've been debating on making this purchase for months. And I finally did it. It's finally here. And it's not glamorous, but it's very, very real. So let's talk about it. Hey, how's it going? Sylvie here. Welcome to the channel. First thing I want to do is say thank you to all of my narrator crew. Thank you so much for the beautiful and warm birthday wishes. 51 is going to be a doozy. And you guys have made me feel so embraced. So thank you. Now, speaking of birthdays, this little birthday gift to myself is what I've decided to unbox with y'all. Are you ready? Let's do this. Now, I know what you're thinking. A countertop dishwasher? Now? Yes. Yes. Me, Sylvie, buying a countertop dishwasher. At this big age, it's happening. Here we are. Okay, I can't pull this out, and I'm not trying to damage this box because if something happens to this, it's going right back to the factory, okay? But I need to, okay, maybe I need to tilt it. Maybe tilting is good. Oh. Why can't my son be back from school? Okay, I've got the box on the floor now, and I'm just gonna hoist it. I'm just gonna like lift it up. I'm gonna lift it, lift it, lift it, lift it. Ugh. Okay, we've got it. Right, here we go. Ta-da! Here she is. My beautiful countertop dishwasher. Welcome home. Welcome home. Now, before y'all roast me, okay, let me tell you why this purchase is so much bigger than just washing dishes. Now, most people look at a dishwasher and they think, well, it's a dishwasher, right? It's an appliance. It does its job. No big deal. But for me, it's a little bit more symbolic. For me, it signifies a Black woman in midlife asserting her right to ease, her right to not have to do things the hard way all the time. Basically, this is me stepping into a life of ease without guilt and without shame. What's inside? What have we got here? Oh. Oh, my. I don't know about you, but as a Gen Xer, I kind of grew up on the whole just get it done mentality, you know? No complaining, no asking for help. You just grind through it. You push through. You push through. You get it done. But now, you know, I'm 51 and I'm tired. And it's about time I incorporated more ease. It's about time that I really leaned into leading my life by design. If you're an OG, you'll get that reference. And if you're not familiar with that reference, watch this video. But not right now, because I'm not done yet. All right, let's go. All right, let's do a little bit of show and tell, shall we? So it looks like it comes with a pitcher because this dishwasher is both manually loadable with water, or you can use the sink. This is a fruit basket because there is a fruit washing setting on this thing. Pretty fancy. What else? Oh yeah, so there's the hose. What is this? I don't know what that is. Oh, I guess it's to keep things dry, whatever. This is the hose to attach the sink to this appliance. And this is to actually link the appliance to my sink so that the water goes directly into the sink. I think I'm going to use the manual method more so than the sink method. So anyway, if it looks like I know what I'm talking about, it's because I did research for this for months. Yeah, I watched a lot of tutorials, lots of tutorials. Okay, and this, yeah, this is for the cutlery basket. You can place right there. So, I like it. I like it. I like it. This machine, this appliance, it's giving me permission. Permission to not have to spend an hour a day doing dishes every day. Permission to sit down. Permission to do other creative things, to do other things with my time. Permission to spend more time with my son. As Black women, we carry so much, and we're praised for being strong and resilient and self-sufficient. But nobody tells us we're allowed to soften. Nobody encourages us to take a break. Nobody views us as fragile. And that's a problem. And I'm finna change that. And for the record, I'm very familiar with dishwashers, okay? I've lived in homes with dishwashers. I've used dishwashers many times in my life. But since moving in this apartment for the last 7 years, I've been doing the dishes with my hands. This is an old style apartment. There's no amenities here. I don't have a dishwasher. I don't have ensuite laundry. So doing it a la manual has been my thing. But yeah, at this stage in my life, I realized that I don't need to be doing this activity anymore. I had the budget to make this purchase, so I decided to just do it. It was really that simple. I really just woke up one day and looked at the sink filled with dishes, and I'd had enough. Oh my God. I can't do this. I'm so done. Check it out, guys. Perfect fit. When I tell you that I researched this thing, I researched the hell out of this thing. And it fits perfectly right underneath the cupboards. Oh, it's the little things that excite me. All right, now I have to use this attachment, hook it up in the back, and use this suction cup here to attach it or suction it to the basin of the sink, like that. All right, I've got it completely set up, and now we're ready to actually maybe do a test run, right? Oh
yeah, that's what you.
Look who's here, y'all! How you doing, son?
Doing pretty good.
Awesome. Just came back from school. I could have used your help earlier to set it up, but I got it done.
I can help you.
Because we just get it done, right?
Yeah, I can just, put the dishes in.
That's right. He's going to load the dishwasher.
Wait, what?
So my son's having dinner right now, so he's not going to load the dishwasher at this moment. But in any case, I do want to say something to you directly. By the way, twinning with my cup. More on that later. If you're watching this and you've been carrying everything, the house, the kids, the career, the relationship, the bills, all the invisible labor, I want you to hear me. You are allowed to choose ease. Shall I repeat that? Yeah. You are allowed to choose ease. You deserve to give yourself something that makes your life easier. Even if it's small. Even if people don't understand. Even if there's that voice in your head that says, just push through. You don't have to be strong all the time. It's exhausting. Being strong all the time is exhausting. And it'll put you in a grave earlier than you want to be. Sometimes the strongest thing you can do is admit to yourself, I deserve better than exhaustion. And then actually going about achieving that. That's what I'm doing. That's what my channel is all about. Read the bio. Read my channel bio. And by the way, if we're meeting for the first time, I'm Sylvie. I am a midlife creative Black woman out here in this world, leading a life by design, designing a life of ease, designing a life that's paid. One story at a time, one project at a time, one trip at a time, and even one appliance at a time. Here's the thing. The dishwasher isn't about laziness. It's about reclaiming my time. It is the most precious of commodities for a reason, because there's a finite amount of it. Tomorrow isn't promised. As a mom, as a creative, as a woman in her 50s, I want to be present. I want energy. I want creativity. I want joy. Lots and lots of joy. I don't want to spend hours over a sink anymore. I'm done with that. Time is a gift. And this year, I've decided to give myself some of it back. So, yes, this is a countertop dishwasher, but it's also a declaration. I'm done performing strength. I'm done suffering through things that I no longer need to suffer through. And if you guys needed a sign, this is it. You're allowed to make life easier. You're allowed to make life softer. You're allowed to put yourself first. If you don't do it, who gonna do it? We don't need to prove anything anymore. We don't. We don't. Not at this stage. Not at this stage of our lives. Done. Done. Put in the comments, done. What is that sound? It's the sound of relief. It's the sound of relaxing. It's the sound of ease. I'm looking forward to this new era. More ease, more relaxation, more connection. If we can all just realize how valuable our time is, we would work that much harder to make ourselves a priority. Thanks for hanging out with me while I unboxed this treasure. We're going to see how it works, for the next 30 days. See if I have to send it back or something. But I'm pretty sure it'll work just fine. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It wasn't necessarily a review. It's not that kind of video. And besides, I'm not sponsored. And thank you once again for the birthday love. I felt every ounce of it. And thank you to all my subscribers. The new ones, my day ones, and everyone in between. It's been my pleasure to provide quality content. Please come back for more. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, I almost forgot. These beautiful holiday attire and cups are available on my website, as I've made a Christmas collection. Head on down to thenewnarrativewithsylvie.com for mugs, cards, sweaters, all holiday themed. Okay, you won't get these exact things because I literally made these, like with my t-shirt press and with my Cricut machine. But you can have mugs and sweaters just like them on my website. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and I have yet to open up this dishwasher to see how well it performed on my dishes. Are they spotless? Are they stained? Let's take a look. All right, let's see what it do. Okay, so far, it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty shiny, but let's have a closer look. Shall we? Let's take this, for instance, this cup here. Oh, nice. Very nice. My mug that was filled with gross coffee. Nice. Wow. Okay. Well, let's look at this glass. Let's see how this glass did. Wow, look at that. We like that. Utensils. It's looking clean, guys. It's looking nice. Oh, wow. Bowl. Okay, I really don't need that much more convincing, guys. Plastic. Cleaned it pretty well. All right. Did a good job. It did a fantastic job. I am impressed. Thank you, HAVA.